You know, I wasn't going to tell how much YouTube paid me, but I think I'm going to. Hi, I'm Diane, and I have been doing this off and on for a long time. Did not take it seriously until 3 months ago when I got monetized. Now, all this time, I have spent countless hours, as you can imagine that you've probably done too, listening to, excuse me, gurus telling you this and that, and don't do this and do that, and just trying to let it all soak in to do the best you could. You know, make good thumbnails, catch their attention, and then follow through with it so that they don't think you're a liar. Don't waste their time at the beginning of the video, like I'm doing right now. You know, all of that stuff. You know what? I'm going to disregard all of it from now on. I'm done. I'm done. I am 76 almost, just in a few days. And I think I've learned all I need to know. So I'm not going to do that anymore. I am going to just make the videos that I want to. I actually don't have a niche, unless you think that living alone is my niche, and I'm here alone with all of my reflections and what I do during the day, and I might be cleaning house, I might be telling you what I eat for dinner, I might be showing you my dogs, I might be talking about the death of my grandson, I may be telling you about my family. My niche is broad, but it encompasses me living alone, left alone with my reflections. That's the bottom line. So I'm tired of racking my brain trying to figure out how to make a video work, or you know, how to get views, how not to get views. I'm just I'm not going to worry about that anymore. If I want to make a video about my mother-in-law, dadgummit, I'm going to make a video about my mother-in-law. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. And one more thing before I tell you. My followers have asked me, how did I start making videos, blah, blah, blah. How did you do all of that? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. And this is what you should do if you're serious, because it can be mind-boggling and mind-blowing. Okay? I went to a YouTube video that says how to make a video for YouTube. I started there. Then how do you upload a video to YouTube? I went there. And all the time I'm making notes. How to do this. And then there's a video of what to do after you upload a video to YouTube. I mean, there is many, many things to do. And don't forget the editor on YouTube. After you upload that video, you need to go to editor and add the screen at the end so that your logo will pop up and people can subscribe. And then you'll have another video shown that will be uploaded next for people to watch. I mean, it's a myriad of insanity. And once you accomplish it, you feel pretty good. But anyway, people, that's how I did it. Now, if I had never been monetized, if whatever, what YouTube has done for me personally is worth more than any dollar amount, and I mean that sincerely. I am an introvert. I have low self-esteem, low self-confidence. I hate crowds. I hate parties, things like that. And I've never felt good enough for anybody in any stage of my life. Grammar school, middle school, high school, marriages. I've never felt good enough. And now all of a sudden I do, because people have commented and made me feel so good about myself. And I'm so appreciative of that. And if all this went away tomorrow and I didn't make any more videos, I would still be good. I'm good now, and I thank you for that. And I've wanted to die for years, and all of a sudden, I don't want to die anymore. So I might start taking care of myself, you know? So I'm appreciative to YouTube and my followers. Okay, here we go. I guess over a year ago, I made 14 videos after studying for months. They did nothing. I had no views. I had no subscribers. I gave up. 14 videos is a lot. About 6 months ago, I either had to try it again or sell my camera that I paid $1,000 for. So I decided to try one more time. I made 6 videos. I had no views, no subscribers. I gave up again. I did not sell my camera for whatever reason, thank God, because I love it. It's a Nikon. I love it. You don't even have to have a mic. I love it. So 3 months ago, as I'm preparing for retiring, wondering what in the world I'm going to do for money, because I don't have a retirement fund, I thought, I'm going to give YouTube one more try. So I did. I made a few videos. One of them got 100,000 views in just like 2 or 3 days. Just bam. And I'm thinking, oh my God. Well, I had, 2,000 subscribers and about 6,000 watch time hours, which was 1,000 more than I needed to get monetized. So I got monetized. And then the next week, I posted another video that got over 100,000 again. And to this day, it has 170,000 views. I'm not complaining about that. And now sometimes I'll have occasionally 15,000, 19,000, 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. But most of my videos get like 600 to 800 after a few days. So I'm not setting the woods on fire. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this is what YouTube has paid me. That first month, which was only 3 weeks, it was August the 7th when I got monetized, I made $913.06. I was very happy about that. First month on YouTube, 3 weeks, $900. Yeah. Okay, second month in September, I made $528.17. I'm still not upset about that. That's $500. Okay, now remember, right now I am in the process of retiring. I've got 6 more weeks, but everything's very stressful right now because I'm turning my business over to someone else, and it's very stressful. Plus, I'm still working, trying to fill orders, get all that I've got to do done in these 6 weeks. And I don't have a lot of time to think about videos, and I just don't have a lot of time. So, October, I made $354.65. Okay? That's okay. Now, on my videos down below, I have a website where I sell Roman shades, curtains, and paintings. Okay, directly related to my YouTube video, I sold $277 worth of paintings. Most of my paintings are small animals and stuff like that. Now, also listed below is my Etsy shop where I sell kits, painting kits, small painting kits that anyone can do, okay? So in August, I sold $346 directly from YouTube. In September, I sold $246 on Etsy directly from YouTube. And then in October, I sold $415 on Etsy from my YouTube followers. So you have to take all of that into account. So in total, in 3 months, because of YouTube and through YouTube, I made $3,080 for 3 months, minus a week. I am not going to complain about that. That's $3,000 that I wouldn't have had I not kept going with YouTube. If this has happened to you, keep trying. I had no idea those videos were going to make. And they were bad videos. I'm telling you, they were not good videos. And one of them has 170,000 views. 170,000 views. So you never know. You just never know. You just have to keep trucking, keep on trying. Okay, guys, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And love is coming your way.